They've spent a decade on the reggae music scene and are one of the major draw cards on NZ's summer festival circuit with their brand new single, Here's 1814.
Have you ever been told your worth don't amount to much? Have you ever felt you've never been noticed? No one cares just who you are. They be calling you this and they label you that, and they say you're ugly. Have you ever felt lonely and there's nothing you can do? Yeah, they be calling you this and they label her that, and they say you're ugly. So what if you're this? So what if you're that? You're perfectly ugly. Hey, my precious baby. Whoa, whoa, hey, my pretty baby. And I said, wake up, rise up, get up, stand up, put your feet flat on solid ground. Hey, my pretty baby. Whoa. Have you ever been beat down, slapped about, knocked to the ground? Or are you just a bystander, never running to one's aid? Sticks and stones, they will break your bones, and your words will always taunt me. Hey, so what if you're this? So what if you're that? You're perfectly ugly. Hey, my precious baby. Whoa, whoa, hey, my pretty baby. And I said, wake up, rise up, get up, stand up, put your feet flat on solid ground. Hey, my pretty baby. They be calling you this and they label you that, and they say you're ugly. They be calling you this and they label her that. Why are we so ugly? So what if you're this? So what if I'm that? You're perfectly ugly. Hey, my precious baby. Whoa, whoa, hey, my pretty baby. And I said, wake up, rise up, get up, stand up, put your feet flat on solid ground. And I, hey, my pretty baby. So what if you're this? So what if I'm that? You're perfectly ugly. You're perfectly ugly. Wake up, rise up, get up, stand up. Wake up, rise up, get up, stand up, put your feet flat on solid ground. Hey, my precious baby. Hey, my pretty baby. Hey, we're perfectly ugly.
Oh, I love it. You're perfectly fabulous is what you are. Thank you so much. More from 1814 very soon. After the break, though, they say that you're only as old as you feel, and it's hard to disagree when you see these guys in action. Hip Operation are next.